Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is bubble chart. What is a bubble chart? On Excel, that is our video. We have a video about Tableau, and they are a little bit different here. On Excel, a bubble plot shows the relationship between three numerical variables. On Tableau, it is 2. And the third variable is represented by the size of the bubble. How do we do that? Let's go on Excel, and remember all our Excels, they are free, and the link to download it is in our video description. So the easiest way, let's select all of them, insert bubble. Here, we have no row for names here, so and the bubbles, they are a little bit messy. So let's let them here. Let's try a second shot without the company names, because I will explain you why the because. Whoa! See how different they are. Why they are different? Because on this first chart here, remember, Excel worked with 3 variables. Consider this one the first variable, this one the second, this one the third. So, not good. So, let's delete it. And then we have here, so the bubbles, this first one, here is Coca-Cola. So, they have the largest market cap. The second one here, 7 and 11, we are talking about PepsiCo. So here the size of the bubble is the market cap. So here we have the income, cash flow. So on 2 here, if we go only on these 2, and scatter plots, see how similar they are. See, we have the scatter plot here, and then the size of the bubbles is the market cap. So these scatter plots here, but we add the size of the bubble on the company market cap. So it's very good to create a better scatter plot. It is a scatter plot plus bubble. Easy, huh? Wow, that is a very short video. So guys, by the way, subscribe to our channel. You will be the first one to know when a new video arrives, and we have tons of videos coming, so please go there. And thank you so much. If you have questions or comments, email me at jscarping@gmail.com or leave your comments here. Have a very nice day, and God bless you.